What's up everyone? So in today's video, I'm going to go over the Canadian dropshipping guide. I'm going to be talking about everything that you need as a Canadian to set yourself up to be successful in the dropshipping space. So to get started, the first thing that you need is to get a sole proprietorship. What this is going to do is, first of all, it's going to make you a lot more legit because you actually have a registered business, and that's what you need if you want to take dropshipping and e-commerce seriously. But more importantly, this is a must-have to verify your business manager in Facebook ads. I'm not saying that registering your business or having a verified business manager is going to solve all your problems, but it sure as heck is going to make your life a lot easier. And to do this, all you have to do is click the first link in the description below and you get a $50 off coupon to register your business. It makes it a lot easier, and what I'll do right now is walk you through the process when you do click that link. All right, so once you click the link, you're gonna land on a page just like this. So all I have to do is press get discount, fill out all this information, and once you have that done, you go and pick a name for your business. So I'm gonna do this right now, and then I'll go through the next steps with you. All right, so once you verify your email and logged into your account, you'll see a page just like this. So just press register your business. You're doing a sole proprietorship. This is only available in Alberta, British Columbia, and Ontario. I live in Ontario, and I'm pretty sure most of you do as well. So just hit Ontario, confirm and continue. And you heard about them from a referral or friend, so just put that. You don't have to, but you might as well. And then this is just explaining what you need to do. So you can pick any name whatsoever. For example purposes, I'm just gonna call mine Jeremy's YouTube channel. So once you type that in, you press search. So there's no existing trademarks found, which is good. There's no existing corporations found in Canada, which is good. And there's no existing registered business names found in Ontario, which is also good. Next, what industry is this business in? You would select, I believe I did retail trade. And then the business description, it can really be anything. Selling goods online. And then you just put all your information here. You write, I am the business owner, same as the business owner's home address if you're working from home. And then the mailing address would be same as the business owner's home address. You press next, and then you put in your payment information, and everything should be good after that. So I just took the liberty of putting my information in just so that I can show you guys the discount that you get. So the owner fee is $29, the government fee is $60, coming out to a total of $89, but with my link, you get a discount of $50. So the total amount is only comes out to $39. So if you're just starting out dropshipping, or you're looking to be more legitimate and actually register your business and start charging tax, use this because you're getting an amazing deal. So with that being said, let's go to the next slide, which is verifying your business manager. So once you get your papers in British Columbia, I think it takes a little bit longer, but I know for a fact in Ontario, it's taking me 1 day, 3 days max. So it's super quick, super amazing. So after you get your business papers, go into your Facebook business manager and register your business. The way that you do that is you press the gear icon on the bottom left, press business info, and then just register your business from there. It's super simple. Just enter or input or upload your business documents. And the small tip that I do have though is if your business manager does not match your business papers. So if my business name is Jeremy's YouTube channel and my website is called bestshoedeals.com, Since they don't match, Facebook's gonna think, or you have to prove to Facebook that that business or that website is actually yours. To do that, in the footer, I write property of whatever your registered business name is. And I'll show you how to do this. So you go to your themes, you press edit languages, and you just replace the powered by Shopify text. So this is where it is. I already have it gone, but as you see, I backspace and you can see the default is powered by Shopify. So I would just write property of, and since my business name was Jeremy's YouTube channel, sorry, I'm typing with one hand, YouTube channel, you just put that right there and then it'll show up in your footer. It's a must-have to verify your business manager. And again, register your one online for $50 off. Super dope deal. And then once you have your verified business manager, the next thing I would do is call the CRA to get your tax number. This is the number you can use to do it. Take the number and input it into Shopify. You can just go in Shopify and press taxes, tax settings, press your country, and once you input the tax number, it'll populate all the taxes you're charging for each province. So when I was editing this video, I realized that I was missing a crucial portion of the entire process for verifying your business manager. So I noticed when you verify your business manager the first time, the button is actually grayed out, just like you saw before. So to fix that is you got to go to developers.facebook.com, or you can just type developer Facebook in Google. Press the first link, which is developers.facebook.com, press get started. You press next. So at some point, since this is an overlay of a different video, to save you time from having to click another link, this person's account is already logged in. So at some point you're gonna have to log in to your account, which should be no problem. So when you create a new app ID, you want to, any kind of display name doesn't matter, but the contact email, it's better to have an email that you're already using. But again, the contact email doesn't really matter. Again, here you might have to log in. So it really depends on which step it's asking you, because they always change when you have to log in. But the same steps as follows. So get started, create an app, the display name doesn't matter. So once you create the app, there's an app ID on the top left. Click copy there. Go back to your business manager, and under accounts, under pages, under add accounts, business asset groups, and then there's apps. Press add the app. When you press connect existing ID, that's where you put the app ID in. Once it connects, we press OK, and then you go back to the business verification part. And once you do this, you'll still see it grayed out. And what you need to do now is just simply refresh your page. Nothing crazy. All right, so it's refreshed now, as you can see, and the button is pressable. And with that being said, that leads us to the end of the video. Hopefully this helped you guys a ton in setting you up a good foundation for your dropshipping business. If you like what you saw and you want to see more content of how I can help you improve or start or build solid foundations for your e-commerce business, hit me up on Instagram. But other than that, if you don't want to follow me, that's cool. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.